A young child named Max lived in a peaceful, lovely village. Max was renowned for having an insatiable curiosity and a desire to learn about everything. Max was having fun in the park one bright afternoon when he came across a beautifully made, detailed puppet. It was unlike any puppet he had ever seen, with lifelike features and meticulous attention to detail. Max picked it up and marveled at the craftsmanship. He couldn't help but wonder who had created such a masterpiece. Max's grandfather, a wise old man known for his profound insights, noticed the puppet in Max's hands. He smiled and said, "Max, that puppet you hold is a testament to the incredible skill and imagination of its creator. Maybe we're the playthings of some enormous intelligence, just like someone skillfully made this puppet." Max was fascinated by what his granddad had said. He started to consider the possibility that, like the puppet in his hands, their lives might be a part of a larger scheme. As Max grew older, he carried this perspective with him. He learned to appreciate the intricate details and beauty of the world around him, always mindful of the possibility that their existence was guided by some greater intelligence. Max realized that, just as the puppet's movements were controlled by its puppeteer, their lives might be influenced by forces beyond their comprehension. This perspective filled him with a sense of wonder and gratitude for the mysteries of existence. Max's story reminds us that the world is filled with wonder and that our existence, like the puppet in his hand, might be part of a grand design crafted by some vast intelligence, inviting us to appreciate the beauty and complexity of the world in which we live.